Yeah, hello guys. Today we are come to learn how to add text on Adobe Pro. So let's start. Here you click this is the editing menu. So you click on the T and you paste or wherever you want to paste it, and you type a word you want to type or whatever you want to type there. So here now is a construction of road. So I'll type road construction or construction of road. When you finish, you type this arrow that select tool, you click on it and you can move the listing. So here see the road has entered into the listing. So you come here, and reduce it small so that you can get the video or the text here. So here you go to here and choose the font size or the font type that you want. You click here, you see all the fonts are here. So you choose the one you want. So I will choose Times New Roman. So it depends whatever you want. Me, I want Times New Roman, so I will choose that one. Yes, let me adjust this more. Here you can paste it where you can move it. You can send it to the top, middle, down, wherever you want it to be. So this is how you can add text on Adobe Pro. Guys, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.